Start. Hello, my friends, and welcome. Well, today we're gonna play some bouncing slime. The impossible levels, and they don't name that for nothing. They are impossible. Some of them are impossible. So let's try the one life challenge.
No, go do it yourself. Fine, just try one time.
And apparently, our high score is 2, and our first level is not very appealing, isn't it? It's not. Let's try it again one more time, and yes, we got an easier level.
And then after you start the actual game.
And we are going through. Oh my gosh! Look at all these spikes, guys! Look at all these spikes. And look at this lag. It's actually helping us here. And we have beaten it. Let's see how far we can go here. And we got one of these kind of stages, and it's even laggier. Look at that lag, guys. And look at all these spikes, too. And we have beaten that. And here's another one of those easy levels. And we got killed by Spike. And now we will actually start the real game on normal. So we will start with the first stage. It will go over, and we just lost. So let's try this again. Bounce over these spikes from platform to platform. And we're going right through the stage, and we have cleared it. Let's go to stage 2. Apparently there isn't as much lag as last time. And now it's starting to get laggy now. And as you can see, there are no spikes in this area, which is pretty good. And we have cleared it. Next stage. A little bit harder. Oh yes, there's spikes on the bottom now? Who would go down there? Seriously. Spikes on the bottom. Oh my gosh, who would go there? Unless, like, we're like ghosts or something. And we have cleared that, and we will go to the next stage. I think after this we'll do one more stage, and that'll be all. And it doesn't seem. Oh my gosh! Look, another spike. Look at these spikes at the bottom. That's just not right. No one would go there. Well, at least not. Oh, and yep, we died. We jumped too early, too late. Well, we jumped at the wrong place. And we got hit by spikes. You know, the bad thing about this is there are no checkpoints. No checkpoints. Just like, you know, the Luigi U, that game for the Wii U, that doesn't have checkpoints either since the levels are so short. Unlike Mario. And this is the last stage we will do. And oh, the lag is coming back. The lag kind of made me fall off. And a spike right there on top. That is just weird. And Can we make it, guys? And we can make it. And this is going to be an 8-part series covering the entire normal mode here. So comment for like any suggestions I could do for my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and also like this video, guys. Thank you and have a great day.